Okay, guys. I'm here in Antigua, Guatemala, which is an old city, like colonial city during the Spanish settlements here in Central America, in Guatemala's land or Maya's land. So I'm just visiting and just having some special visits, something about my book and our other meeting other people too. So thank you guys, and I hope you can share this small video, and I hope you can guys share it. But I will upgrade it what's going on with our project, our book, which is Spanish, English, and Maya's language. But this is an old city which is called Antigua. So anyone who wants to visit, just find out on internet. So this is a beautiful place. It's a beautiful city, as you can see. Es una ciudad hermosa, linda, ciudad antigua, y estamos de visita por unos viajes, parte de nuestro libro y de nuestras ideas políticos. Pues aquí estamos de visita conociendo a algunas personas y estaremos pues postando más nuestros libros bilingües, que ya está publicado 2 libros. Bueno, pues ahí estamos junto al Schalt negel se hijo sakschal ulcelante antigua tach ikstong ashlo konholanton tohun kan ktsach ochtskilde khacha tayaqtano maka ochtskilke khunaqal schalik ton khiolchin google tiba khokh tiba khokh ktsibin taqiol taqiol mosik taqiol shanik Thank you guys, gracias, chonta.